talk about the watching videos. Today episode, I love to share with you one dumbbell exercise, parallel exercise, and also waist curl exercise. What can help you to improve your hand muscles stronger and better than other times. So today's video is so effective and best for you guys. So let's go for it, not for the legs.
Right now everyone, I was doing the barbell curl exercise. What is for 20 kg weight, I was doing it the exercise. I was doing this for one set with 22 rep. I was doing it the barbell exercise what is for 20 kg. That's how you can do first your exercise started. Then I was going for my double exercise what is for 17 kg dumbbell. I was using in one hand. This is I was doing for 3 set for 8 rep. I was doing it. Sometimes I was doing it 10 rep. When this is too much, and that time I was doing it 8 rep. I was doing it. So you can see that time that is too much hard for me to putting up and down. When you're doing this exercise, you need to focus on your negative muscle. You can make your negative muscle stronger. Then you should have a powerlifting muscle, and powerlifting power you can get that. That's why I was focused on always negative muscle. You can see I was slowly down it. I was speeded up my videos. That's why it looks like I was speeding down. When you do exercise, you need to focus on slowly up and slowly down as possible as you can do it. You need to focus on that. Then you can get best muscle and you can get the power what you need in your body. Right now I was doing my waist curl exercise. What I was doing for 2 set for 10 rep in one hand, and other side also 10 rep for one hand. The 2 set I was doing for it. So you can see I was doing the weight with 10 kg dumbbell I have on my hand. This dumbbell I was doing the reverse waist curl. That is too much hard to doing it. You need to doing it for your big waist muscle. You need to doing the exercise. Some people don't train the waist muscle. You need to train on waist muscle. That's gonna be so hard, and that is so good for your waist muscle. You can see I was trained the 13 kg dumbbell I was taking. Right now I was doing waist curl exercise, not a reverse curl. That a waist curl exercise. You are doing this. This is so effective exercise you can do for your waist. Then your bicep and waist and tricep all look similar. You need to doing this. This is too much good for you for your hand muscle. This is also made your grip stronger. This exercise waist curl. I was doing completed my 13 kg weighted waist curl. Right now I was doing the same barbell curl exercise what I was doing for 36 kg of dumbbell. You can see this is the heavyweight barbell curl exercise I was doing it. 3 set for 6 rep I was doing the exercise with 36 kg of barbell exercise I was doing for. You can see this is too much hard, but you are not doing hard work, then you can not get the power on your body. Right now I was doing the same weighted dumbbell, 17 kg of dumbbell I was doing it for 3 set, and for 8 rep I was doing it for. You need to doing this exercise. This is so much good for your bicep. You can see I was using same thing in my left hand. My left hand is little bit not that much powerful as like my right hand. That's why I was using my. Let me know in the comment below if you guys have the same problem. Left hand is more weaker than right hand. I have a little weaker left hand. That's why you can see I was doing the same barbell exercise what I was do for 3 set with 6 rep. I was doing it as hard as possible. That time I was too much tired, and also sunset going on. That's why I need to quickly working on it. That's why I need to quicken up my barbell exercise. Right now I was doing the same thing. 17 kg of dumbbell I was using for my dumbbell exercise with for my bicep. I was doing this. This is the third setup I was doing it. You guys are also doing this exercise. When you need the muscle in your body, you need to do the exercise, but don't do the exercise with every single day in a week. Do the exercise in a week one day. Don't mess up with this kind of exercise. Then you can get the weaker hand ever. So that's why you need to do weekly one exercise, and you can use different kind of exercise. In a week you need to do one exercise at least. Some people are going to gym doing the exercise every day. Second, they're doing the exercise, they has a weaker muscle, they made a body, but they doesn't have the power they need to have in your body. That's why I don't like to the gym guy. That's why I was working hard as possible as I can do in my rooftop. So that's what I am doing right now. I was doing the same barbell exercise what I was doing for 6 reps with 3 set. This is the third set going on. You need to focus on be yourself and doing what you need to do. I was doing the exercise by own myself. No one's care about you, no one's care about anything in you. So you need to focus on everything what you love. 5 rep, I think. I was too much tired. You can see on my face reaction. Right now I was doing the waist curl exercise. I was left 1 set. That's what I was doing for 1 set with 10 rep I was doing. You need a bigger waist when you have a big bicep. So you need to focus on your bicep and your waist, your tricep. Every single muscle you need to focus on it. I was doing the 7 kg dumbbell with waist curl exercise. You can see that's too much hard for me, but I was doing it because when you are not giving your body to pain, then you can't gain anything. So that's why I was doing the exercise too hard. Then I was left 1 set with my barbell exercise what I was do. So go for it, doing the last set what I was doing. So I was doing the same as like that, 1 set with 6 rep I was doing it because that is too hard and heavy weight. That's why I was doing it little less rep. You can see my body was shaking this time. I was doing the 3 rep, but I didn't give up. I was trying again and again. Right now I was keep it back my barbell where I was taking from, so I need to put it back my barbell weight. Anything you take it from, you need to keep it. You need to get discipline for it. You are not that much discipline in your life, then you are gonna be losing in your life once you think. So that's why every single time when you wake up, you need to in your room first. Right now I was doing the same barbell exercise what I was doing with 17 kg. The last set what I was do and going to home. So I was doing it for 8 rep with 1 set left what I was doing it. You can see this is too much hard and I was sweating a lot. You can see my pant. That's time too much sweating I had because the last set what I was doing for it. So that's the left hand I was doing it. You can see my hand was bending. That's why I was support my other hand to supporting the barbell to holding up. You need to focus on slowly doing the any kind of exercise. You need to slowing down your body, negative and positive side. So that's it for today's video. Love you guys and bye bye.